Hello everyone, I am Dr. Israr Saeed. Today I am going to talk about one of my favorite endomotor that I use in my daily endodontic practice. This is Cicada T5N2 endomotor with built-in apex locator. Its parts consist of head, main body, charging base, adapter, the measuring wire, file clip, the lip clip, the probe and silicone core. Main body has power on off switch, the select switch, the increase and decrease switch. In power off state, press main switch to turn on the motor. Screen starts display. It has 9 programs as you can see: M1, M2, M3, M4 and 3 operation modes: forward, reverse and reciprocation mode. First program is electronic apex locator mode. We can use it as an apex locator. If you look at the display screen, M1 here is the program code, 300 rpm is the speed, 1.8 newton centimeter is the torque. It can be adjusted. See, operation mode can be selected. Speed can be increased or decreased. Torque can be selected as well. Can change the angle, the forward angle and the reverse angle if you want to. It's all for today. Thank you for watching.